thunderstorm warning. National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Glynn County in southeastern Georgia, northeastern Bradley County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Wayne County in southeastern Georgia, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gardy, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Broadhurst, Everett, Gardy, and Mount Pleasant. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Brantley, Glynn, and Wayne. This is a special weather statement.